checked up. Watch that, left them place hotter than a watch back. All the women guys are gonna long chat. Bust down the rapist with me and back.
So hold on there. Is Deva Bratt really, you know, a piece? Or, you know? That go on, me not know me.
Reaction.
No! Yo, me no want no man. Me no want no man. I talk about the ear spoiling, you see me I say. You don't know your chop already, you know. We don't want no man talk about ear spoil. And if you talk about the ear spoil, you're batty man. I mean I have it. This is a song for the girl them. Yo, girl and girl! Yo, reaction boss is back in. If people comment on this video to see your comment right there next to that I post, you know, very consistent. It's like what the 4th or 5th video for today. You see me I say 6 technically, because the last one post was a few in one. Come could buy a full other video for the same artist. No, let's get into a reaction. But up, why? Lava. We have a song from Ryme Minista. Song is called World Greatest Rapist Deva Bratt. This official music video. So you know, say you never have to do all of that. Nah, but like Ryme Minista, you could say yo. Ryme Minista dash World's Greatest Rapist, or just WGR, you see me I say, and then put official music video and then put Deva Bratt this at the end night, like a real professional person release music should. But guess what? I know my thing that I hear everything that you see me I say, so we can shoot the reaction right now. You see me so I can react to your song right now. I will show you do it right now. You see me I say reaction bosses here. We love war. We love war. So Deva Bratt, if I feel it bad, I want to post every bumbuck like there. You see me I say, right now this is the artist song in the world. I'm listening to it yet. This is the artist video in the world right now. This is the video of the artist video in the world. I'm not listen to it yet. Deva Bratt, what you gonna do? When Ryme Minista come for you, me bumbuck belt. Right June?
Aware on badness. What do the bumbuckler world greatest rapist? Him a abuse woman, girl and babies from in the 80s. Them pussy there way.
He's starting off very, very brawling. Let me check something real quick. Because I think a long time I see a song you tease when you're trying. I mean, would that be a dumb if me bumbuckler I do a reaction to that song you know in the dark? Would that dumb? Alright then. Because so I go on only Minister come back. Alright then. Minister, talk your talk.
Him a abuse woman, girl and babies from in the 80s. Them pussy there way. Paper boy you know bother just chat them a chat. Who the bumbuckler to show them strap. Any man shoot out, me full him up a shot. On the better find a way if he never had. Tell you that tell nobody no lie them a tell. Any confliction me say them go hell. Rapist.
Crucial conflict. Hold on. Man, they come up with the old school dancehall floor, they like it. Go on.
Tell nobody no lie them a tell. Any confliction me say them go hell. Rapist boy go on back in your cell. Cause you not a fly a vibes cartel. Chop bumbuckler rise up a rifle. One gun, one loss. Him a chat shit in up and pass. I be a killer spread out like canvas. But if you go sting down your place like mad was. Roger by them me checked up. Watch that left them place hotter than a watch back. All the women guys are gonna long chat. Bust down the rapist with me and back.
So hold on there. Is Deva Bratt really, you know, a piece? Or, you know? That go on, me not know me. I ask all of the viewers them, you know, Mr. Relax and say true.
All the women guys are gonna long chat. Bust down the rapist with me and back. Bumbuckler, you can't give me no talk, you man ready. Got the berry for me belly, we but out inna the belly. Carry on me and bread firm and steady. Box out coconut, bust boy jelly. And flip for bad me up, that with a duff cut already. When me up on headstone, just a man berry. Don't know nobody, me no Tom and Jerry. Show the clip in the arm, woman that's petty. Anyway. Nobody me no Tom and Jerry. Me no show the clip in the arm, woman that's petty. Anyway me there, rum there, we there, girl there, from there, gun there. If you're the son there, you know you're dead. The man there. Police can't. Pussy there no bad, me say you chat them a chat. Who the bumbuckler show them strap. Any man should
let them right on dog get back to my face in a Deva Bratt. What you gonna do? Ryme Minista forward in the war, brawling for you. Deva Bratt, what you gonna do? I think in one day we're singing in the dog I say, yo, this is old news, you know, because man, address some kind of thing with the rapist thing, you know, and he say, yo, that's our old news. Deva Bratt on old news right now, the song is brand new and it just dropped 2 hours ago. Deva Bratt, what you gonna do? Listen when
And me say a chat, them a chat. Who the bumbo clan a show them strap. And the man shoot out, me fully up a shot. Who no better find them a career if he never had. Tell you that them a body no lie, them a tell. Any conflict and me send them go hell. Rapist boy go on back in a your cell. You not tough like a vibes cartel. Send for your killers and make listen. Remember that to what they need. Bullet in a piece and us said them what they meet. Running on this and them on the spirit to what they need. Cause them no got no rifle. You don't know this and them is weak. Them they ready. Me like on them bird. Anyone me put my phone, me say I must murder.
We're up out there again. No man, hold on man. Ryme Minista, you're bad. Me say what your name Ryme Minista now. Minister. Richard!
Them what they meet. Running on this and them on the spirit to what they need. Cause them no got no rifle. You don't know this and them is weak. Them they ready. Me like on them bird. Anyone me put my phone, me say I must murder. Cleaner, observer, being them like murder. If them want beef, then them should have a burger. Rapist. Me have already been pull up a shot a man and
Deva Bratt did that tell you about your mama. Your mother rape me, well on. I change my change pampers or cookie my cook and the food.
if them want beef, then them should have a burger. Rapist. Me have already been pull up a shot a man and keep moving. Kill and the storm, like this feel like looting. Live up everything, what me say me not losing. Any man you see a bonus if you just shoot it.
Me ever ready to pull up a shot man and keep moving. Brother, them man a head grimy, you know.
Me have already been pull up a shot a man and keep moving. Kill and the storm, like this feel like looting. Live up everything, what me say me not losing. Any man you see a bonus if you just shoot him. Me as a miss and when me get from hungry Putin and grenade. But see no somebody ask who fling. Boom up everything, cheap and I want it for them disputing. Pussy them up, me say a chat, them a chat. Who the bumbo clan touch where them strap. Hell them on the shoe out, me full him up a shot. Who no better find them a career if he never had. Tell you that them a body no lie, them a tell. Pussy them.
Shut up. No man, not a bumbo clan. People, what your thoughts? What your thoughts? For real, like, what your thoughts? Me think it bad, me like it, but like the move for make to you see me say, answer him. Deva Bratt, answer him. I know vibes cartel, but answer him. You see me I say, make dance on nice again, man. Bumbuckle belt, man. Shalawa, man. You see me I say, man. Yeah, man. Leave a like, but like on the video. Drop a thumbs up on this track. You know what I say? And you know me? Support your channel. We are trying to go back out there and views them. You see me I say, so go do the right thing, man. Because I like our channel go on now. I don't like it. I don't like our channel go on. I put out quality content for you. Someone to like the video them. So the video recommends to more people. And drop some comments. And if you don't know if you comment, drop some fire emoji. I don't want one comment. I don't want 2 comment. Gonna play number 2. 3 to 4 to 5 comments. And if you don't know what to comment, drop some fire emoji. I'm out.